Hey everyone, welcome to Dyme Saver, where we make money make sense. I'm here to help you build smart habits and feel confident about your finances. Today, we're talking about something every beginner should know: how to budget and save money the smart way. Let's get into it. Budgeting isn't about saying no, it's about saying yes to what matters most. Without a plan, your money just disappears. But with a budget, you're the boss. It's like giving your dollars a job so they don't wander off on their own. Let's talk budgeting strategy. One beginner friendly method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, food, and bills. 30% is for wants, like streaming, shopping, or going out. And the last 20%, that's for savings and paying off debt. This keeps things simple while still helping you make progress. Now let's talk about something most people don't learn early enough: how your savings are taxed. Because not all accounts are created equal. And where you put your money matters just as much as how much you save. We can break this down into 3 tax buckets. Bucket number 1, taxable accounts. This is where most people start: your checking, savings, CDs, money markets, and brokerage accounts. You pay taxes on any interest, dividends, or profits each year, even if you don't touch the money. These are best for short-term goals and your emergency fund. Bucket number 2, tax-deferred accounts. This includes 401ks, traditional IRAs, 457 plans, and KO plans. You don't pay taxes now, but you will when you take the money out in retirement. These are great for long-term retirement savings. Bucket number 3, tax-free accounts. These are the real gems: Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks. You pay taxes up front, but after that, your money grows tax-free and you can withdraw it tax-free in retirement. If you qualify, try to fund this bucket as early as possible. So think of it like this: use taxable accounts for quick access, tax-deferred accounts for retirement growth, and tax-free accounts to build long-term wealth without Uncle Sam taking a cut later. Don't wait until you have enough to save. Start with what you have. Even $10 a week makes a difference over time. Set up automatic transfers so saving becomes effortless. Think of it like paying your future self. Consistency beats perfection every time. So to recap, budgeting puts you in charge. Savings gives you freedom. And small steps today lead to big wins tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Dyme Saver, your new favorite place to level up your money game. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one goal you're saving for? Let's grow together. See you in the next one.